Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you a different way you can enjoy your raw oats. Also, if you're looking for alternative method to the popular Nigerian garri or fufu for that your delicious soup, or if you're checking your weight and you don't want to stay away from that your favorite soup, so this is an alternative for you. Watch this video to the end and you learn how to convert your raw oat into oat swallow to enjoy with your favorite soup. First of all, I'm just gonna be blending my raw oat into a very fine powder form so that I can easily prepare it to give me what I want. This is my water in a pot. Just allow it to steam and not boil. So after then, go in with your oat, the blended oat powder, and stir, give it a stir as you put it in your oat powder. Continue to stir and stir. Just stir constantly because you don't want to have lumps in your oat swallow. So you just have to stir it constantly, but ensure this is done on the low heat because you don't want your oat swallow to get burnt before it is properly cooked. So just keep stirring it. Depending on how soft or hard you want your oat swallow to be, you can add more oat powder if you feel it's gonna be too soft, but then you have to be careful because the harder it is while preparing it, when it's cold, it's gonna be very hard for you. I mean, the swallow is gonna be very hard to cut, and it could also lead to constipation. And so while adding the additional powder, just continue to stir so that you can avoid lumps, or you can break any lump in it, so you could have a very smooth oatmeal swallow. So after stirring for some time, you can leave it, allow your oat to cook for like 1 minute. So you can just pinch a little of it between your fingers and just to check out how soft or hard it is, if it is to your level of what you want. If you feel it's still too soft, you can add more oat powder. But for me, at this point, I was satisfied, was all right with it. So this is me trying to tidy up my oat swallow. You can see the final look of it is looking like your traditional garri. I then portion them into film and wrap it just to keep it warm if you're not ready to eat it immediately. But this is how it is, so I use it to eat my afang soup. You can use this to eat any kind of your favorite soup. That is my oatmeal swallow. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you're new, please subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.